Hey guys, check this out. I lit this up at 3 p.m. today. It's 8 o'clock at night. This thing is still warm. It's a pizza oven. It's pretty deep. I made it out of bricks. All these bricks were given to me. I want you to check this out. I got a spot here where you can save wood, stack them up. And you got a nice slab here that I built. Nothing is attached. Everything is loose. Loose bricks. Anyways, I want you to look at this. See this? This oven right here, I brought it up today up to almost 1,000 degrees within an hour. If I would have put more wood in it, it would have definitely gone up a lot higher. And it's still holding heat. I mean, I can literally put a pie in there and come back 25-30 minutes later and I'll be ready to go. But yeah, hope you guys like this. All these bricks were given to me for free. A lot of stuff people give away. Craigslist. None of these bricks are attached. Everything just stacked up like a Lego. Pretty much. Very easy. Just took me all day to do it. In the back, see? It's all simple. I used a fiberglass tub, flipped it upside down, and I made a breather in the back right here. And when I take this out, made a breather to let out some of the heat if it's too warm in there. Here, let me go around. You can see. You see it? What I do is I take all these little blocks that I got right here, and I stack them up in here like this. Watch this. When it's lit up, and it works real good. It sucks air in by stacking them up like this. So you can see that one's already burnt. And this is what I end up with. And it sucks a lot of air in. And I made these two sides right here for this. I can put these little bricks in here. But anyways, this is what it looks like when it's closed. And I still leave it open so I can have oxygen going. And I just take these little brick right here. Let me bring this up to the front a little bit. Anyway, it's a little bit crooked. A little bit crooked. Anyways, and I bring this one here to the top. And that's it. It'll work pretty much like so. And it works real good. It made some ribs today. We made ribs today. And I was amazed how it still is warm. I mean, this thing is blowing out some serious heat. I hope you guys like it. Give me a like. And if you have any ideas, let me know. Have a good one.